Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a moving skeleton. For this DIY you will need the skeleton template, you will need a pair of scissors, paper punch and split clips. Then we went ahead and cut out all the skeleton parts using a pair of scissors. You can find a free skeleton template online, and I will link up every item that I've used in this DIY in the description box below. Once you've cut out all the skeleton parts, you should be left something that looks like this. So here we're just trying to arrange the skeleton in the order of how it should look like before putting the split clips. So since we didn't have a pepper punch, we decided to improvise by using stapler, but we realized it wasn't going to work. So we had to improvise again and use a sharp object and just pierce the joint of the skeleton, as you can see here, and just use something like sharp just to pierce it so I can be able to attach the split clips. If you have a paper punch, go ahead and use it and punch all the joints, because all the joints need to be attached to each other, just like the way I'm doing here. Once you finish doing this, then go ahead and align the skeleton parts according to the order they're supposed to be in, just like the way I'm doing here. By the way, if you've stumbled upon this video, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Alice and I post fashion, lifestyle, interior, gardening and DIY type of content. If you like this video so far, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and you can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Then I went ahead and used the split clips and connected the, I think it's the neck bone to the backbone. Yeah, just connect the neck bone to the backbone, and you're going to do this throughout the parts, and just make sure you split them so they can hold together. Then just go ahead and connect all the pieces to where they're supposed to be. The shoulder bone to the elbow bone to the hand bone, the backbone to the thigh bone to the knee bone to the leg bone. Just do that in whatever order of your skeleton template you've got. Once this is done, you should be left with something that looks like this, and this is your moving skeleton, and the kids will have fun playing with it and making weird and funny movements. This is such a fun and educational activity that the children can get involved in, so they will be able to learn about the skeleton and what each and every part gets connected to. And this activity doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. You only need a template, a printer, and the split clips, and you're good to go. And once they finish playing with this, you can recycle the split clips and the paper, so it's good for the environment too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed doing this DIY. Bye for now.